Hi, and welcome to Girl Talk. We have a great show for you today. We are outside. It is glorious. We are being joined by a wonderful dentist. I've got a million questions. Dr. Jordan Haire, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So you are with the ROC Dental Group.
I am.
Good for you. Well, it's been fun for me because I got him captive and I can ask you all the questions that I've always wanted to ask. And I think kind of like having a physician here, all the things that you really want to know.
Yeah.
We got you.
Yeah, open book.
Exactly. It's great. So one of the things that I was curious about, and we talked a little bit about, are as far as what you do in your practice. Tell me about some of the services that you all offer, because it's really more comprehensive than I knew.
Yeah, so at ROC Dental Group, myself along with Dr. Matt, we're both general dentists, and we really try to be a one-stop shop. So we do root canals, fillings, cleanings, extractions. So we try to keep everything in-house.
Okay.
If we ever have a case that is a little more complicated, that's when we refer out to a specialist. But we really try to offer all the services
there. It's
Yeah,
fa-
here-
let
there
me
at the
let me
office.
ask you a question, Jordan. When it comes to habit or ritual or practice, how often do I need to come? Is it still every year? At what age do I need to begin? I've got 10 grandkids. At what age do the kids need to come? And my third question, as we age, do we need to come more often?
So everyone's treatment plan is individualized and custom to what their dental needs are.
Okay.
But when it comes to how often you need to come in for a cleaning, usually it's every 6 months.
Okay.
But as people get older, sometimes we start seeing them
More.
every 3 or 4 months. Just kind of depends on what's going on.
Well, I mean, at 67, I feel like I've been going more often, and I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
Well, I just like to have my teeth cleaned. It's kind of fun.
Are you flossing as much?
I'm a water pick flossing Nazi.
Yeah.
Like 3 times a day is my favorite thing. I would be doing it on the show, but Aaron won't let me.
Yeah, you're like the ideal patient.
Oh, yes, exactly. A little hydrogen peroxide rinse. What do you recommend? Those things? Any kind of certain toothpaste, flossing, water pick?
So water pick or flossing, they're both really effective. I prefer just manual floss.
Okay.
I feel like the water pick, it's water everywhere.
Yeah, it does. That's very true.
But as far as toothbrushes, an electric toothbrush, and then whatever toothpaste.
How often do I change out my electric toothbrush?
So I am
Mine's like 6 years old.
You haven't changed it in 6 years?
Oh.
There's probably no bristles on that brush anymore.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're fine. So I try to change mine every 3 months, just
do you?
whenever the
Okay.
bristles on the brush get a little worn looking.
And what is it about a water pick that is good? Is it something, I use it after I floss. Is that, I don't know what.
Yeah, you're kind of double dipping, which
Okay.
is awesome.
Okay.
But the water pick is just really beneficial when it comes to removing food or debris that kind of accumulates between your teeth.
Is there a difference between, this is fun, right?
Yeah,
Is
it
there a
is.
difference between guys and girls in their dental hygiene, how often they need to floss or brush, or even what they do just intuitively?
I have never seen a difference between
Guys or girls or
yeah,
kids
there's
or-
a
yeah.
range in both genders. You have the people that floss nonstop like
Right.
you, and then you have
Little
people,
OCD.
Yeah, a little OCD, but pretty much across the board similar.
Again, because I've got so many grandkids, how do you begin to teach someone about brushing their teeth? And is that something that routinely you would talk to someone about?
Yeah, for sure. So when it comes to grandchildren and
Sure.
young children, it's really important to establish a dental home or a dental office that your children are going to see right when their first tooth erupts.
Okay.
So usually at that first appointment, we're just sitting down with the child and showing them a toothbrush, counting their teeth, just getting them really familiar with coming to the dentist.
So, we're going to go see Dr. Jordan. Oh, my gosh, it'll be so
Yeah,
fun. Okay.
we try to make it exciting for them so
Yes.
they're not scared to come see the dentist.
And at what age, once they get their first tooth, is that when you begin to... Does Emerson have teeth? Yeah, so 4 teeth.
Yep.
So is that when you begin to do a little brushing?
Yep. Just as soon as they get their first tooth, that's when you start brushing and keeping them clean.
Is there a big... I guess I read when I go to the drugstore, it's like soft bristles, hard bristles, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. When it comes to cleaning your teeth, a soft bristle or an extra soft bristle brush is the best.
Okay.
The hard bristle brushes, I think they're used to clean the grout on tile floor. So they're super abrasive.
Yeah, not so
but when
much.
it comes to your mouth and the health of your gums, you really need a soft bristle toothbrush.
See, you're super fun to interview because it's like you give us the real scoop, and it's great. You've
Well,
got to
thank you
come
so
back
much.
again.
Yeah, for
Again,
sure.
Dr. Jordan Haire with ROC Dental Group. You're wonderful. As the birds fly over to say hello, stay with us. There's more to come on Girl Talk.